Oh, the second one is minus 5y.
All right. Okay. So that is 8x. 8x is written over here. Minus 5y. Next one.
You for the first one you wrote 8y,
Sorry, 8x. 8x minus 5y.
and then the third one is 2x plus 4y,
2x plus 4y. Yes, correct answers. Next.
and then the fourth one is 12x minus 1y,
Okay, very good.
and then the fifth one is 4z.
4z. Okay.
Then the sixth one is z.
Sixth one is only z. Okay, because x and x, y and y get cancelled out, and z is the only answer. Yes, correct. And seventh one.
6x plus 4y plus 2z.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So I think you're getting such things. Okay. Okay. And the last one is also like in the same quantity only. Okay. Now, there is one more question that identify the like terms in the expressions. So I hope now you can easily identify which is the like terms, and you can perform the operation accordingly. Okay.
Yeah.
Similarly, now the operations are given, okay, which is based on simply like this, like add and simplify. So according to this, now you need to add, and now you need to go for the operations one by one. Now the complexity of a question gets, uh, uh, I mean, the complexity of the question starts from here. Now, for example, you have given the distinct terms, okay. वो आपको दे देंगे कि 4x 4x plus 3y is one bunch, comma 4x minus y plus z is the next bunch. Okay, so this is one set. This is one set of expression. This is second set of expression, isn't it? This is
Yes.
first set and this is the second set. Now in the first set and in the second set, what you need to do, they are saying add. If they are going to say that is meaning that is add means you need to add both of them. Okay, now when you are adding both of them, so what is the final thing that you are getting in such case? This is the simple question now, in which you just need to do, which is 2x plus 3y plus 4x minus 1y plus 1z, isn't it?
Yes.
So what do we have? 2x and 4x. It will make up as 6x. 3y minus y. It will becomes 2y, and there is no like term for z, so z will remain alone. उसके लिए कोई like term नहीं होगी, so z will become like 1z only. So this is the final answer.
Okay, just makes it just look different then.
हाँ, yeah. The question is same only. The way of asking is different. ठीक है?
Yeah.
So ऐसे questions आएंगे. ठीक है? This is also one of the questions where you can find such things over here. Okay? Because here, what is the category? You just need to add the following. I mean, okay. Only the
Mm-hmm.
way of asking of the question is different over here. Are you getting the point what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Now here there is a some more questions. Okay. So all starting four questions. Other questions are also there, but that will act as the homework for you. See, whatever the question which we are doing in the class, you can exclude that, and the other questions which is undone, which is untouched, you can take that as a homework. Okay. And this PDF I think consists of how many pages? Four pages. Okay. Soon I will add some more pages into this, and some relevant topic also I'm going to add in such case. So start with
So
the
from
first
the
four question.
yesterday's homework, there is all the so on page 8, it's the
Mm-hmm.
one that doesn't have answers. The rest of them have answers and steps.
Yes,
So do I have to do
yes.
them
Yeah, yes, you
because they
have to
already
do
has
them
the
as well.
answer?
Yeah, they already have the answer, but some answers are correct in that, and some answers are incorrect in that. So you need to verify, okay, which one is correct and which one is incorrect. If that is correct, so you can easily write that LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, for example, some numbers are written over here, and that is they are saying 17. So after solving these questions, you are after solving this number, you are also getting 17. That means LHS we are getting 17. So 17 is equals to 17. That means LHS is equals to RHS. But in case, for example, you are not getting 17, you are getting minus 11. So in that case, LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay, so in this way, you need to solve, and everything otherwise everything will remain same. There is no as such changes in this. Okay, so
So
that's why. Mhm.
so do I write down only the ones that says LHS is not equal to RHS?
Yeah, according to the scenario, what you are getting, if you are getting LHS and RHS equal, so you can write LHS equals to RHS. If you are not getting LHS equals to RHS, so you can write not equal to RHS like that. Okay,
Okay, but
that's
I
why I'm
still have to
giving
show
this
the
a
steps, right?
yes. You still have to show the steps because showing the steps is very very important in every section. Don't miss any of the steps. Okay, and don't do like this that half of a calculation is going in mind and half of a calculation is on the paper. Don't do this. We have discussed I think this point yesterday, because teacher need to correct, school teachers will need to correct, and they need to see that what is going on in your back of your mind. Okay, so steps likhna, it's very very important. Okay, so please note down this thing.
Okay, so I still have around, yeah, 6 pages. I Yes, left for the bottom mass, and now I have 4 pages from here. So that's
Ah, yeah,
around,
so
yeah.
whatever the PDF which you are left with now, that will act as the homework for you. And then immediately after submitting the PDF, then you are eligible for the mock test, which is there on this Saturday, Sunday.
Okay,
Okay,
so I have to complete
so
all the pages, so I'll be eligible for the mock test.
for the mock test, yeah, yes.
Okay.
Okay,
And
and
then
you have
when
to
do
give
the
me the
homework have to be
timetable
submitted
also.
by?
See, as soon as possible. Okay, you can just start doing the homework. Okay, and start solving it because देखो जो बॉड मास है जैसे ही वो फिनिश हो जाएगा, फिर ये जो 6 PDF है, दिस इज ऑल्सो अगेन इन योर बकेट लिस्ट. ओके, फिर जब ये वाला फिनिश हो जाएगा फिर नेक्स्ट पीडीएफ आ जाएगा. तो इन दिस वे ना देर आर लॉट ऑफ पीडीएफ्स आर देयर आर आई थिंक टोटल 8 or 9 PDFs are there which is in the basic portion. Okay, and that basic need to be corrected. ओके, ये बेसिक्स हैं, इसमें हो सकता है छोटी छोटी बातें हैं, जैसे अभी आप आज आपने लाइक एंड अनलाइक टर्म्स के लिए कुछ कंफ्यूजन है आपका, वो रिमूव हुआ है ना. आज आपने कुछ सीखा, लेकिन अब उसको प्रैक्टिस करना है, एंड प्रैक्टिस कम्स फ्रॉम वैरायटी ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. Okay, you should understand the language of question, you should understand how the examiner are asking the different type of question, etc etc. So that can only be done through my PDF. Okay, it is not like that कि yes कि हाँ अब मुझे आ गया, now there is no need of doing the question. No, this is, it is not like that. Still you need to do the questions, and that too also the variety of question. So that's why I'm giving you the different scenarios based on this PDF है ना. So in this way, I think if you sit properly in by I mean sit properly as in if you sit properly by taking one PDF only now. So one PDF I think take only 1 day to finish. So one, if you analyze, these are very nominal question if you understand the logic, and just start practicing it, and एक दिन में एक PDF finish हो जाएगा. Okay, उसके बाद में then for example if you are comfortable कि no sir I am comfortable in attending one mock test on Saturday and another mock test on Sunday, तो मैं वो भी कर सकता हूँ, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. इट इज़ नॉट कंपलसरी कि नहीं ओनली सैटरडे संडे को एक ही मॉक टेस्ट होगा, ऐसा नहीं होगा. द सूनर यू कंप्लीट द सिलेबस, द सूनर you will be free. Okay, so it's all up to you. Are you getting the point? But
Yeah.
we have to balance all the things. The whole thing is the balance part. Okay, you need to balance your school part as well. As of now your vacations are there, which is okay, but later or sooner you have to manage multiple subject. Okay, school part also and my classwork as well. So ultimately the pressure comes to you. So that's why we are planning in the summer part or in your free time that you will cover more and more portion. Okay, because still
Okay.
we are on very basic part. So this is the strategy basically. But yeah, I will correct your homework. I will correct your homework and I will guide you that whether your way of writing, your way of presentation is correct or not. Okay. By analyzing the homework, I can tell you that yeah, you can write in this format in the main examination. If it is incorrect, then I will guide you on that as well. So I mean, there are a lot of backend things which needed to be done. So that's why. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Fine. Thank you. Please start doing this thing as well.
Yeah. So what do I need to do?
Ah, yeah, yes. So this uh, first four questions.
Okay.
This one, and after this lecture, just please give me the mock test timetable for Saturday, Sunday.
Oh, okay. Do I
Hmm.
have to do two?
Four, 1 to 4.
I could do up to four mock tests.
No, no, no. I'm saying this thing up till 4 questions. You need to do this 1, 2, 3, and 4 questions.
Yeah. And how many mock tests do I have to do?
See, that's what I'm telling you. That yeah, जैसे जैसे हम पीडीएफ फिनिश करते जाएंगे, ओके, और जैसे आप होमवर्क्स मुझे सबमिट करोगे ना, उसके बाद आप उस पीडीएफ के लिए मॉक टेस्ट दे सकते हो.
Yeah, I know for the upcoming one. Like you said that on Saturday and Sunday I could give two mock tests.
Ah, yeah, yes. But as of now, like this PDF is not finished yet, now. So you are eligible as of now only for that board mass only.
So that means I
Board
already
mass.
did the homework for Bottomas?
See, board mass is finished from my side. Okay. Now homework
Yeah.
is pending from your side. Okay. So as of now, from my side, you are eligible for the board mass. But for this second PDF. This is the second PDF which we started. This is the, or you can say, this is the second topic which we have started. Okay, which is there in front of you. So this is not finished yet from my side, isn't it? So still, if the topic is not finished, then how you can give the mock test, isn't it? जब चैप्टर
Yeah.
फिनिश हो जाएगा तभी आप टेस्ट दोगे, isn't it? नहीं तो आप टेस्ट
Yeah.
नहीं दे सकते. ओके, सो
Yeah.
दिस इज द लॉजिक. सो जब ये फिनिश हो जाएगा फिर आप इसके लिए भी एलिजिबल हो जाओगे. तो जैसे जैसे हम चैप्टर्स फिनिश करते जाएंगे वैसे वैसे आप उसके लिए एलिजिबल होते जाओगे. दैट्स
Okay.
इट. या धीरे धीरे फिर आगे जाके हम स्पीड भी कैचअप कर लेंगे. ठीक है, जब आपको बेसिक्स आ जाएंगे तो फिर मुझे इतना एक्सप्लेन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं रहेगी. ठीक है, फिर हमारी स्पीड इतनी ज़्यादा फास्ट हो जाएगी कि आप हो सकता है 4 मॉक टेस्ट 3 मॉक टेस्ट भी देना स्टार्ट कर दो. बट वो स्टेज आने में अभी थोड़ा सा टाइम है. मैनी स्टूडेंट्स आर डूइंग इवन 6 मॉक टेस्ट ऑल्सो ऑन सैटरडे संडे. ठीक है, बट उनकी स्टेज
Okay.
बहुत अलग है. दे आर फ्रॉम 12th grade, दे आर फ्रॉम 10th grade, लाइक दैट. ओके, बट the strategy will remain same.
Is it okay if I could give the mock test timetable after the call? Like I can send it to you over
Yeah,
WhatsApp.
yes, after the call you can send me, no issues. As of now, just please concentrate on this and just solve this first 4 questions.
Yeah.
Okay, done with it.
Oh, I only have done two questions. I have
Hmm.
two more.
Okay, okay, go for it. Go for it.
Done.
Okay, done with it.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me the answer for the first one.
6x plus 6y.
Okay.
For the second one, 3x minus 3y minus 1z.
Just 1 minute, huh? Yeah, for the first one, what is the answer? Tell me once again.
6x plus 6y.
6x plus 6y. Okay. So here what you have is this is how much
1.
it is? It is x.
Yeah,
It is
x.
1 1 7 7 7. Then 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay. Then for y it is 5 4 4 6. Yes, correct. 6x plus 6y. Yes.
And
Mm-hmm.
then the second one, 3x minus 3y
X
minus
minus.
1z.
Okay, correct. This is correct. This is correct. Next.
And then the third one, 2x plus
Mm-hmm.
1y plus
Mm-hmm.
2z.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then 3x minus 1y plus 3z.
Mm-hmm. Okay, correct. Okay, fine. So I think now in this way you can easily do the questions, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, fine. Now here also, see, now there are the operations are already given to you in this manner. Now let me tell you one more thing. There is one crucial operation. Okay. For example, as of now, if there is addition, so there is no issue. Yeah, there are how many brackets in this? I'm increasing the font. Now is it I think more clear?
Yeah, I also have it
Okay.
pulled up.
Okay. So here, as of now, you can see there are two brackets. In these two brackets, okay, there is no as such. What you can say, there is no as such issue because in between the two brackets, आपके पास में क्या लगा हुआ है? आपके पास में यहाँ पर एक ब्रैकेट है, आई मीन एडिशन है, isn't it? तो जब तक एडिशन है, there is no issue. आप इजीली ये सारी चीजें कर सकते हो यहाँ पे, ठीक है। लेकिन अगर बीच में नेगेटिव आ जाता है तो यहाँ पर इशू होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है। व्हाट इज दैट इशू? I'll tell you the issue that what we are having as of now in this case. Okay, so here the issue is nothing but that what we have is mm, the issue is that if for example there is x plus, let me reduce the font. I think my pen is not, stylus is not working properly. I hope whatever I'm writing on the screen you can easily say it. अगर मेरे पास में यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है 3x plus 4y, ठीक है, और
It's
फिर मेरे
probably
पास में
because
यहाँ पे
the
ब्रैकेट
2x turns into minus 2x.
just wait a minute, 7x minus 3y. For example, it is written like this, isn't it? So this negative will show its involvement with this also and with this also. So look carefully, the expression will become 3x plus 4y minus 7x plus 3y. Okay.
Okay.
And after this again only this much portion is there, whatever the terms are there। देखो ब्रैकेट के बाहर क्या है? माइनस। तो इनिशियली ब्रैकेट के अंदर के सिंबल क्या थे? प्लस और माइनस। ब्रैकेट के बाद में लुक केयरफुली फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑन द स्क्रीन। ओके, सो ब्रैकेट के अंदर पहले साइन क्या थे? पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, लेकिन बाहर क्या था ब्रैकेट के? नेगेटिव। तो अब जब नेगेटिव अंदर जाएगा, जब नेगेटिव का अंदर इन्वॉल्वमेंट होगा तो इनके साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे, जस्ट अपोजिट हो जाएंगे। प्लस विल बिकम माइनस एंड माइनस विल बिकम प्लस। कैन यू सी दिस? बिकॉज प्लस माइनस इज माइनस एंड माइनस माइनस इज प्लस, ठीक है। और फिर उसके बाद में अगेन जो सेम प्रोसीजर है वो कंटिन्यू हो जाएगा। दिस इज माइनस 4x and this is plus 7y. So this is the final answer. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, so this is how you can do some questions. This is the way of doing questions. Okay.
Okay.
So here you can solve as of now. I'm just giving you some basic question. Positive तो आप कर लोगे, negative वाला आप करो. ये वाला question, fifth वाला question. Just do this two questions.
Okay. Done.
Okay, what is the answer?
For the first one,
Mm-hmm.
2x minus 4y plus 2z. Yeah.
2x minus 4y plus 2z.
Yeah.
So it is 2x. This is minus 4y and this is 2z. Yes, correct.
And
Next
then
one.
5z plus 2y minus x.
5z minus 2y. Okay, so it should be plus 2y.
Mhm.
Okay, and
Oh yeah,
then
yeah, plus
it should
2y.
be
I wrote it incorrectly.
minus
Yeah.
c.
Like I
So it should
told
be
you it
5.
incorrectly. I think I told it correctly, but I think you right might have wrote minus because
So
actually
it
wrote
is 5z.
5z
The final answer is
plus
this.
5z plus 2 5 minus x. That's what I got.
Yeah, yeah, this is the correct answer. Okay.
Yeah.
So when teachers are correcting a paper now, uh, so what they have to do now, they need to check these things. Okay, they need to check this thing that what exactly needed to be done. The terms are right or not. Okay, okay. 5z वाली term सही है कि नहीं, 2y वाली term सही है कि नहीं, x वाली term सही है कि नहीं. Their answer is, I mean, and the signatures are correct or not like that. Okay, so I hope now you're getting the things. Okay,
Yeah.
so up till here, see there are 20 such questions. You can do the 20 questions like in this one, and here also you can see there are some more questions. So here are 20 questions which is based on like and unlike terms. Okay, for the first degree of algebraic expression, this degree हम पढ़ेंगे, ये आगे एक टॉपिक है उसमें हम देखेंगे what is degree using addition and subtraction, but where each expression contains six terms and two variables, and the variables are only x and y. Okay, here are variables x and y, but it is not necessarily that we are always getting x and y only. We may get pq, we may get rs, we may get T, TZ, whatever it may be. Okay, there is no issue with the letters. Okay, it may be two variable, three variable, six variable, n variables, etc., etc. But concept will remain same. There, see, you can see mn is also there. Here pq is there. Okay, like that. So उससे issue नहीं है कुछ. Okay, the
Yeah.
fundamental I think now you got. ए अगर एम एन है तो एम एन के टर्म्स में हम आंसर निकालेंगे. ठीक है, एम एन विल बी लाइक अनलाइक टर्म. ए बी है तो ए बी के टर्म्स में लाइक अनलाइक टर्म्स निकालेंगे, तो उसका कोई इश्यू नहीं है. यू कैन सी अगेन 20 such
Yeah, I
question I
know
have
that.
given to you. Okay, so just start solving this PDF. Okay, I don't think so that it will take some time. You can set properly first of all with this PDF also, with Podmas PDF also, and then accordingly we can go for it. Okay.
So for that's so basically I need to do just page two, the C
Yeah,
part.
yes. So as of now, here are four pages. Okay, but here these four pages are not just sufficient. As of now, in these four pages, I need to add some more pages as well. Okay, because still this topic is not completed from my side. Still, some more correction is needed to be done in this. So first of all, you finish BODMAS PDF. Okay, and give the mock test for BODMAS. After finishing up the BODMAS PDF, you can switch to this like unlike terms PDF. Okay, and then we will go for this as well. Okay,
Okay.
all right. Okay, fine. I hope you got the logic, you got everything, how to do the homework, how to submit the homework, how to give the mock test. Okay, everything I think is clear to you. If you have any confusion, so you can tell me, we can go for that as well.
Okay, I'll post you the timetable for mock
Yeah,
test.
yes, please post a timetable, that is important.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Okay then. Dharya, thank you for joining the session.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah, bye bye.